guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we will be doing the exercises based on past perfect tense. If you have missed out the video of the explanation of the simple past continuous and past perfect, you can see using the link that is given in the description box. So without any further ado, let us get started. So in these sentences you have to fill in the blanks using the past perfect form of verb that is given in the respective brackets. Okay, so as you all know that a past perfect tense take the helping verb had accompanied by the third form of the given verb that is in the bracket. So Kapil dash a goal when we entered the stadium. So Kapil dash. So first we'll put helping verb. Kapil had, and the past form of the verb score is scored. So Kapil had scored a goal when we entered the stadium. The lady dash a beautiful stole with wool. Okay, so the helping so the main verb given is weave. So weave बुनना, और weave का third form होता है woven. Second form होता है वो, weave, wove, woven. So the lady had woven a beautiful stole with the wool. By the time the firemen arrived, the workers dashed the fire. Okay, and the word given is douse, and the past form of the word douse is doused. Doused मतलब आग बुझाना. I dashed to go to the park, but it began to snow profusely. Profusely means very profusely heavy snowfall. Okay, so I had planned to go to the park. There was no sign of taxi, although I had ordered one half an hour. I had ordered 1/2 an hour before. I spoke to Sunil at lunchtime. Someone dashed him the news earlier. Someone had told. At least the committee were ready to announce a decision. They had. Make की third form made. I was really tired last night. Okay, यहाँ पर एक तो verb had आएगा और have का verb have का past form had होता है. I had a hard day. Now in these sentences you have to rewrite the sentences in the negative form. For making negative, as I told you in the previous video, we put had plus not plus verbs third form. Okay, she had brushed her teeth. She had not brushed her teeth. I had bought a travel journal. I had not bought a travel journal. The teachers had started a canteen in the school. The teachers had not started a canteen in the school. The train had left the station when we reached. The train had not left the station when we reached. They had gone on a pilgrimage last year. They had not gone on a pilgrimage last year. The author had written a book about magic tricks. The author had not written a book about magic tricks. Rewrite these sentences in the interrogative form. Okay, you have to write these sentences in interrogative, and that to interrogative is just starting from helping verb. Chocolates had melted due to hot weather. Had chocolates melted due to hot weather? Question mark. The sun had set when we reached home. Had the sun set before we reached home? Sita had finished her shopping. वेरी इजी नो, बहुत इजी है. आपको सब्जेक्ट किसको एक्सचेंज करना है, बाकी सब एक जैसा रहेगा. सब्जेक्ट और हेल्पिंग वर्ब को आपस में एक्सचेंज करना है. हैड सीता फिनिश्ड हर शॉपिंग? क्वेश्चन मार्क. वेरी वेरी इजी इट इज. द आर्टिस्ट हैड ड्रॉन द पिक्चर विद इन 1 hour. हैड द आर्टिस्ट ड्रॉन द पिक्चर विद इन 1 hour? क्वेश्चन मार्क. जब हम इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस बोलते हैं तो हमारे जो बोलने का टेक्निक होती है, हमारा एक्सप्रेशन होता है वॉइस का, वो भी चेंज हो जाता है. अगर मैं एक सिंपल सेंटेंस बोलती हूँ, द आर्टिस्ट हैज ड्रॉन द पिक्चर विद इन 1 hour. ओके, और अगर मैं इंटेरोगेटिव में पूछी तो मैं शायद चौंक रही हूँ. हैड द आर्टिस्ट ड्रॉन द पेंटिंग विद इन 1 hour? सो इट चेंजेस, द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द वर्ड्स चेंजेस. द काल्की मेल हैड अराइव्ड ऑन टाइम. द काल्की मेल हैड नॉट अराइव्ड ऑन टाइम. Dr. Khanna had addressed his team before the event. Dr. Khanna had okay, so had the Kalki mail arrived on time? Had Dr. Khanna addressed his team before the event? Question mark. Tenses in the verbs that is whatever the frame of verb is given, you have to change that into past perfect form of verb, that is had plus verb's third form. Ram finishes eating dinner by 8 o'clock. So इट इज अ रूटीन एक्टिविटी. ये सेंटेंस कौन सी टेंस में सबसे पहले आप पहचानोगे? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में है. इसको चेंज करना है पास्ट परफेक्ट में. सो राम हैड फिनिश ईटिंग हिज डिनर बाय 8 o'clock. निमी डिड नॉट ब्रिंग द लंच बॉक्स टुडे. तो ये नेगेटिव सिंपल पास्ट का नेगेटिव है. तो निमी हैड नॉट, ब्रिंग का थर्ड फॉर्म ब्रॉट. निमी हैड नॉट ब्रॉट द लंच बॉक्स टुडे. द मैच स्टार्ट्स एट 4 PM. ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में है, जिसको चेंज करना है आपको पास्ट परफेक्ट में, जैसे हैड और वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म लगा के. सो द मैच हैड स्टार्टेड एट 4 PM. एवरीवन वेंट टू सी द एग्जिबिशन. ठीक है, तो ये वापस सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस की फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब है. ठीक है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है, सिंपल पास्ट में आपको इसको चेंज करना है. तो एवरीवन हैड, गो वेंट गॉन. सो एवरीवन हैड गॉन टू सी द एग्जिबिशन. Rishi helped the old lady cross the street. So Rishi had not helped the old lady, had helped the old lady cross the street. I climbed up the ladder. I had something, simple past में है, आपको चेंज करना है. तो I had climbed up the ladder. Many athletes participated in London Olympics. Many athletes had participated in London Olympics. Mary stitches new clothes for her grandchildren. So stitch की third form stitch. Mary had stitched new clothes for her grandchildren. So in the next exercise you have to put the verbs either in the past perfect or in the past simple as the sentence demands. Okay, and the common sense says. Okay, the first sentence is I dash the book back to the library when I dash read it. So I had taken. ठीक है, तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का ऐसा भी यूज है. सिंपल पास्ट और पास्ट परफेक्ट साथ में कब यूज आएगा? जब एक एक्शन ऑलरेडी हो चुका होता है और दूसरा एक्शन शुरू होता है, तब यूज आता है सिंपल पास्ट परफेक्ट और पास्ट सिंपल टुगेदर, एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द यूजेस ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट ऑल्सो. Okay, so I had taken the book back to the library when I had read it. Sat down and took some rest. When the students dashed the experiment, they dash a report on it. So when the students had done the experiment, they wrote a report on it. Naveen dash first, so his parents dash very happy. So Naveen had come first, so his parents felt, FELT, felt very happy. When Ravi dash enough money, when Ravi had saved enough money, he dash a motorbike. He had bought, BOUGHT. So when Ravi had saved enough money, he bought a motorbike, BOUGHT. So in the given sentences you have to add a sentence, okay, using this notes that is given on the right side, and one is been done for you as an example. Okay, we rushed to the station but we were too late. So what is this hint given here? The train, you have to use the verb's third form along with the helping verb had. So the train had just gone, go went gone. I didn't have an umbrella, but that didn't matter because the rain had stopped. The rain had stopped. When I got to the concert, they won't let me in. क्यों कॉन्सर्ट में मुझे जाना नहीं दिया? क्योंकि मैं अपना टिकट्स फॉरगेट कर गया था. सो आई हैड फॉरगॉटन माई टिकट्स. आई वॉज रियली प्लीज टू सी रूपाली अगेन येस्टरडे, बिकॉज बहुत दिन से मैंने उसको नहीं देखा था और बहुत सालों से नहीं देखा था. सो आई हैड नॉट सीन हर फॉर एजेस. Kavita looked very suntanned when I saw her last week just be on holiday. She had just been on holiday. Luckily the flat didn't look too bad when my parents called in, as it had just cleaned. So the flat had just cleaned. The flat had just been cleaned. My colleague invited me to the lunch yesterday, but I had to refuse the invitation because I have already eaten sandwich. So I had already eaten my sandwiches. So yes, guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.